Samsung has introduced a useful feature, sleep apnea tracking, with the Galaxy Watch 7 series. The feature is available for other Galaxy Watch models with One UI 6 update. Sleep apnea is a condition where a person's breathing becomes shallow or stops while they sleep. With the new feature, Samsung aims to help users easily detect if they might have sleep apnea. GadInsider has compiled a guide on how to use this feature, and you'll need the Samsung Health Monitor app on your Samsung phone. How to use sleep apnea feature on your Galaxy Watch. Open the Samsung Health Monitor app on your connected phone and go to the sleep apnea tab. If you don't see the app on your phone, start it from your watch first. Enable the sleep apnea feature by turning on the switch and following the prompts. It is important to note that users ensure to wear their Galaxy Watch while sleeping. In the morning, open the Samsung Health Monitor app again to view your results in the sleep apnea tab. Moreover, you can tap View History to see your recorded sleep data. This new feature gives users important insights into their sleep health by offering a simple way to detect signs of sleep apnea. It can help users take steps toward better health.